Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Electrophilic addition of Br2 to an alkene follows an anti-addition mechanism via a bromonium ion intermediate. The two bromine atoms add across the double bond in a vicinal 1,2 fashion. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. 1-butene is CH2 is equal to CH, CH2, CH3, double bond between C1 and C2. Moving on to the next step. Mechanism of Br2 addition. Br2 acts as an electrophile. It forms a cyclic bromonium ion intermediate across the C1 is equal to C2 double bond. A bromide ion then attacks from the back side, anti-addition, placing one Br on C1 and one Br on C2. And for the final step, BrCH2 CHBr CH2 CH3. One Br on C1 and one Br on C2 of a 4-carbon chain. Evaluate options. Option A shows a geminal dibromide, both Br on same carbon, C1, i.e. 1,1 dibromobutane. This would result from addition of HBr twice or from a different mechanism, not from Br2 addition to 1-butene. Incorrect. Option B shows Br atoms on a branched to methyl framework inconsistent with 1-butene, a straight chain alkene. Incorrect. Option C shows 1,4-dibromobutane, Br on C1 and C4. This is not a vicinal addition product. It would require a radical or different mechanism placing Br at opposite ends. Incorrect. Option D shows 1,2-dibromobutane with Br on C1 and Br on C2 of a straight 4-carbon chain. This is exactly the vicinal dibromide expected from anti-addition of Br2 to 1-butene. Correct. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.